So what you want to do is lay out the hoodie flat out like this and put the arms all the way out like so. Now, if you don't have enough space, don't worry, because next step you're gonna have to fold the arms like this to the T. All right, and same thing with the waist straighten the waist out. And I want to take the elbows again, fold it inwards down the middle. Now make sure there are no wrinkles or anything, because that'll mess up the final design. Then we want to take the waist, pull it up to the middle like so. After you're done that, you want to do it once more like this. After you're done this, look at the collarbone, do this, and then want to have the hoodie part in the middle. Once it's like this, you want to take the hood, fold it over, then wrap it around like this. You can flip it over, it's fine, and it'll end up like this. Now, if you have any straps, just tuck them into the hoodie, and that's it. You have this little compact design. It's pretty good, pretty compact. You can toss it around, it won't break form. Now, the same could be said for sweaters. Now, sweaters, they're the same thing as hoodies, but it's just a bit different. So we're going to do the same steps again. Like stretch it out like this. Then you want to do the same thing. Take this, fold it here. Do the same thing. Then fold the waist up again. And if your sweater has like a little collar fold flap thing, you just tuck it in, do this, and do this. You get a compact design. It's not as secure as probably the hoodie, but it does the job. You can stack them together, and it's just a neat way and compact to have this, right? I'm Togo. See ya.